Okay, we're back, and this one here, let's say we put it in the middle here. I try different things here to see what's going to work, and then we'll show y'all. If you watch the other video of number 13, before I put all this stuff in here, take a look at that, and you can see how many beetles are in here. He ain't gonna make it anyway, I don't think. I believe he was caught. Okay. Now here's this one. This side here's got one beetle here, still living, but it's caught. It has two beetles here, one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, two here, one here, three here, one here, one here, one here, one here, one there, and one there, and one there. So I consider Swiffer seeds working okay. The beetle buster here. I left my peppermint candy somewhere else, so I don't have it with me right now, but I'll be putting peppermint candy. The peppermint works. A little starburst thing. Okay, this one has some nectar, pollen. Girls bringing in pollen. Same thing on that side. Looking good. Huh. Now we got to find a place for this. Okay. We got a Swiffer seed on the bottom, so we'll see how it's doing too. This one here has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beetles in it. Got one. Can you see? Where you at? There you go. One there, one there, one there, and 3 or 4 right there. So I say they're working pretty good. Little girls go back home. Okay. Here. And there has brood. Girls bringing in pollen. Baby hatching. And I don't know if there's eggs in there or not, but if there is, good. If there's not, we got them on the other. Oh, there's the queen. Right here. Beautiful queen. So we don't even play with this frame that the queen is on. He's doing good. Put my glasses on. Flashlight so we can see these things. Now this one with the queen on it probably had eggs on it. And the number on this one is 1012 nursery, not 12 nursery. Mark it with magic marker and they don't work very well. Put it on with some paint. Here is a plastic frame. That they're building out. There's no eggs in there. This side over here they're building out okay. It's got pollen in it though. That's wax, I mean plastic. You don't know why I don't like plastic, and that's why it's in the middle. But it's not doing anything in the middle. And I waxed it too. There's a lot of wax on it. This one has brood, has pollen, girls bringing in pollen, larvae, nectar, and eggs. I imagine there's eggs in there. Let me get my flashlight here. Y'all get your little flashlight, y'all can see, oh yeah, we got larvae. See any eggs, but it's young larvae. It looks like the bottom is doing pretty good. I'm not going to go in there and take the Swiffer sheet out though. This one has some brood. I don't. Some of that other stuff. Has some nectar. Has some pollen. Side over here has some pollen. But it's hard to keep beetles out of a beehive. I mean, unless you want to spend a bunch of money. And I don't even know if that works. But that's about it on these people. You're down there running the beetles around, it says then you're down there. So we're going to put this back together. These are where queen cells were at. Tried to hold that off till I got that down here. Excuse me. Bless me. Blessed anyway. Come on, girl. Okay. Just put the feet on there and put their, oh yeah, put their thing back in, the beetle trap back in there. And that's about it for right now, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Give us a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know if you want to know something else. That's the only way I can tell you things. But y'all be careful out there this week. There's gonna be a lot of cops on the road for some reason. But y'all be careful. Have a great day, great week, and now look at the bottom down here with a little baby. The bees are bringing in pollen. There's one, there's one, there's one. They're bringing in pollen because Mama needs to lay some eggs. And that's about it, y'all. Y'all take care of yourselves. We'll talk with you later. Bye.